Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration 0 to 9, ninth root of x square multiply square root of x to the power 5 dx. So I is equal to integration 0 to 9, ninth root of x square times square root x to the power 5 dx. So we simplify this portion first. Okay, this is ninth root x square, and here square root x to the power 5. Square root, it means 1 upon 2 power. So 1 upon 2 times 5 is 5 upon 2. We can write 5 upon 2 dx. Okay, this is 0 to 9, ninth root. Here, when we solve this, so power, we can add them 2 plus 5 upon 2. It means 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 upon 2 dx. Okay, and like x to the power 9 upon 2, and here ninth root, it means 1 upon 9 power to the power multiply 9 9 cancel, we get 1 upon 2. So can we write directly here x to the power 1 upon 2 dx. Now we can integrate easily. So x to the power 1 upon 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2, and here 3 upon 2. Okay, 0 to 9. Okay, then can we write like this, 2 upon 3 x to the power 3 upon 2, 0 to 9, or we can write 2 upon 3 outside. Here x value means first put here upper limit 9. Okay, so 9 to the power 3 upon 2 minus, now we put lower limit. Got it? Okay, then 2 upon 3, this is 3 square, and then power 3 upon 2. So square, it means like this. So 2 to cancel, we get 3 cube, and that is 27. Okay, so this is 27 minus 0, 0 to the power this 0, 2 upon 3, and this 27. Okay, so this is 9, and 9 times 2, 18, and this is our final answer. So very simple steps, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.